Hello, friends. Let us start today's session with a beautiful song. हिंदी और मराठी भाषा बड़ी ही प्यारी, हिंदी और मराठी भाषा बड़ी ही प्यारी. आओ साथ लिखेंगे हम सारे हिंदुस्तानी, आओ साथ लिखेंगे हम सारे हिंदुस्तानी. Friends, today we are going to cover group number 12, and jokingly we call it as Loners Club. You know why? Because there are 5 akshars, but all of them differ from one another. This is L, R, Shra, Ksha and Ru. Let us first take L. Friends, do you remember symbolically how do we represent our heart? We represent it this way, right? Same symbolical figure of heart we will be taking up for writing L or L in Marathi. So here we go. Now only this much we have to draw, and then draw this straight line. This makes our L. So heart-shaped figure is turned now into Marathi or Hindi L. Now friends, how to write this L? For writing L, first of all remember how we used to draw number 8 or figure of 8 in English, like this, isn't it? Now suppose someone topples it, then it is going to lie like this. Draw one small stalk-like portion and the upper straight line, and it gives me my L. Now friends, we will be seeing how this Shra can be written. Though it looks complicated, it is very easy. Do you remember how we write 4 in Marathi or Hindi? This is 4 or 4 in Marathi or Hindi. When we were very young, at that time, we used to draw words also in the same fashion, isn't it? So we have to draw figure of 4 in Marathi or Hindi, but not this way. We have to make it ulta. So here we go. Make it inverted or ulta. And then from this part, this point, we are going to draw one small parallel line. And then our famous vertical line. The upper horizontal line, when drawn, will complete my Shra. Now students, again there is this complicated Ksha, but it is very easy to draw once you relate it with something which we see very often. A swan-like figure, how do we used to draw? Like this, isn't it? In the same fashion, we are going to start with swan-like figure, then go up, make a circle, come down. Then right in the middle, we are going to draw this horizontal straight line, and then our famous vertical straight line. One horizontal line above, and that is going to complete our Ksha. Now this is Ru from Rushi. Whenever we want to write Rushi, this particular letter will come in our diary. So here, first of all, if we see only this part, it looks like our throat. And if you look at this part, it looks like Marathi or Hindi 5 figure of 5 number. So here we go. First of all, draw this vertical line. Then for making it throw, Remember, we used to draw like this throw, and then here make a figure of 5. 5 in Marathi, of course. Straight line above completes our Ru from Rushi. Now friends, practice is going to make you perfect, and that is why you have to refer to our book with the same name, and that is Write Hindi or Marathi with Ease by, of course, Aruna Manohar.